Hey kitties, today I'm gonna show you how to make my daughter Claire, not my biological daughter. I don't have a daughter, I'm too young. But here was so my daughter Claire and her little brother baby Alan. So my OC is still in the St. Patrick's Day, but this is mostly a gift for Winter Chibis because she is gonna add Claire and her little brother Alan and her toddler series. I don't know what the name was again, but yeah. And so this is mostly a gift for her, but if you want to make videos with Claire and her little brother Alan, you can do so. So this is the video for you. So in body, she is height 10. Oh no, let's just make her height 9. That's better. She's a girl and her skin is like this. And then we have her hair. Real hair is 35, front hair is 6. Her eyes are pink and eye number 68, pupils number 1, mouth 19, eyebrows 3, or you can make like the mouth like any way you want to. And then we've got, the clothes don't really matter. They don't really matter. So you can just make your own clothes. And then we've got her signature headband, hat 39, but you can add another hat if you want to. Then we've got her tail. I would like to see the tail with the bow because that's her signature look. And then she doesn't have anything and her name is Claire. Alright then. And now we're going to do her little brother Alan. So Alan is height 10. You can do the pose of him crawling because he doesn't know how to walk yet. He's a little too young. He's a boy and his skin is kind of brown. And now we got his hair. Real hair 233 and front hair is 38. Now we've got his eyes. His eyes are like different colors. You can do this version of the eyes or these eyes. These. Now I'll do one of these or these. And then we've got his pupil number 1. His mouth is 113. His pacifier. But if you want to make him babble or say his first words, you can do so. And his eyebrows are number 3. And if you want to make him cry, you need to like tone it down like this or this. It's green, but you can put it as black and use these eyes if he is crying, like these. So and after that, we go on to here, his clothes. You can put him in little baby clothes. There are not many baby clothes in Gacha Life. So just put him on pajamas. You can do so too. The shirt is 48, sleeves 15, pants 37. Then we've got his little hat, 19. He isn't often wearing a hat, so you can just skip the hat if you want to. And then we've got tail 64. His prop is always his teddy bear, so you need to have the teddy bear. And the profile is to name him Alan. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I will soon make a video of Claire and Alan. Just been a little bit busy. Alright, kiddies, thank you for watching this video, and bye!